I'm Ilirina CPA and an enrolled agent. I have a Master's of Taxation, and welcome you to the channel where we tackle tax issues head on. Whether you are dealing with the IRS notices, tax debt, or complex filings, I'm here to simplify the process and guide you towards a best solution. With years of experience in tax resolution, my goal is to help you take control of your finances and achieve peace of mind. Let's get started. Today, we're going to talk about reducing your IRS penalties and how to get relief. The penalties can be a drag on your finances when you have filed late or you are paying late, and that is a substantial amount in most cases. Common IRS penalties are failure to file penalty, that's 5% per month up to 25%. The second type of penalty is failure to pay penalty. If you can't pay the tax liability by April 15th when you file the extensions, then late payment penalties apply. This is a lesser nominal penalty of 0.5%, and that also maximum of 25%. The other penalties are accuracy-related penalties. Those penalties come from IRS CP 2000 notices, where they tell you that you forgot something, your tax return is not accurate, so they assess penalties as well. And the other penalty that we're talking about are penalties for not paying estimated payments. And this is the one kind of penalty that cannot be relieved actually by the IRS. Types of penalty relief. To relieve your penalties, you can relieve under three premises. One is reasonable cause relief. Reasonable cause means that if you had something major happening in your life that prevented you from paying your tax liability or prevented you to file taxes late, and those could be life events such as divorce, sickness in the family, hardships of some kind, and then that's the premise where you write to the IRS and ask them to remove the penalties. The next type of relief is first-time penalty abatement. On the first-time penalty abatements, you reach out to the IRS and you explain to them that, hey, you have filed on time, you have paid on time, and if you have been compliant at least for the last 3 years, then they will remove the penalties as a one-time courtesy over the phone. The next penalty is statutory exception penalty relief. That is due to IRS errors, and you substantiate and point out that IRS has made a mistake, then they will remove the penalty for that. How to request the penalty relief? The penalty relief request entails a couple of things. One, you write correspondence to the IRS and you explain your circumstance and you attach all of the necessary documents to prove that what you are saying is correct. That's followed by submission of Form 843, which is claim for refund or request for abatement, or call the IRS directly. And then, of course, you provide supporting documentation. Benefits of penalty relief. Penalty relief, it's a direct reduction of your tax liability as a result of penalties. In a lot of cases, the penalties could be substantial. For the common penalties, about 50% of your tax liability. That's a big number. And you get to reduce that to zero and you never have to pay it again. And that makes it easier for you to get into an installment, which you would be paying the tax liability plus interest. Challenges. As anything else in tax resolution, there is challenges with penalty relief. Relief is not always guaranteed and requires thorough documentation, and IRS reviews each case on its merits, and in some cases, they will deny your request. In conclusion, I'd like to reinforce that exploring penalty relief, it's a great tool for reducing your financial strain as a result of taxes, and encourage you to seek professional assistance if the penalties are substantial, because a professional can streamline the process, document the reasons, and they're often more successful than the taxpayers directly. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. For more tips on resolving tax issues and staying financially stress-free, have a question or need personalized help, drop a comment below or call us at 208-608-5653 to schedule a consultation. Remember, you do not have to face the tax challenge alone. We're here to help you every step of the way. See you in the next video.